I want to give Ash a ride. But I bet she's gonna decline. But 40 taxi.
I don't want to go in the car with you.
Well, I'm just doing my job. Even I don't want to give you a ride.
What did you say to me?
I said I'm just doing my job. It's not like I want to give you a ride.
Well, it's not like I want to take a ride.
Fine. I was just gonna go fishing anyway.
What? This isn't where you go fishing?
Oh, that's where I'm headed. I was just reversing.
Oh, okay, well...
Yeah, you didn't catch my eye.
Drive safe, but not too safe.
I'm gonna drive safe anyway.
Yeah, and wear your seatbelt.
I don't need one.